Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Live talk, immigration live talk. Let's talk about it. What's going on? Let's talk about it. Good afternoon. Let's talk about it. What is going on? How are you? How are you feeling? Let me know in the comments. How are you? Let's talk about immigration. Hello, how are you? We have a great news to share. Let me share my screen so we can share this great news. This is a C8 work permit renewal approved after 1 year. I don't know why those renewals are taking too long, but we had one that was approved within 20 days. How are you? Abiodun Olisa, how are you? I'm doing good today. I'm doing good. This is a lovely Saturday, right? Saturday afternoon, but we are here to talk about immigration. So, how about yourself? How are you? Do you have a question? Please put it in the comment. Let me share my screen. Okay, so what's going on? So basically, this is a work permit, C8, which is pending asylum. Pending. Asylum is pending, and this asylum is actually pending with the court. What's happening is that we argue about asylum, cancellation of removal. We're still waiting for the judge to decide, right? We haven't received any decision yet. However, we were supposed to renew the work permit. So we renew it because the asylum is still pending with USCIS, sorry, with the immigration court. So this is the 5 years, now they're giving 5 years, really good, so they can have a work permit. Sorry, they can work and get a driver license, especially here in Maryland. To what else? We filed on March 22nd, 2023, approved today, March 30th, 2024. I was just checking and then I saw it, right? So a year. And this is good too, right? Let me just talk about it a little bit. If you have a pending or approved I-140 and a pending I-485, you might request to change employers if your Form I has been pending for at least 180 days. This is for employment base, okay? In order to do so, you might need to submit documentation about the new job offer. So some people really, maybe they apply for a green card based on employment, and then they get the work permit, and the I-140 is still pending, I-485 is still pending, but in the meantime, the employer no longer want to work with them, and they have a new job offer. Then you might just, instead of like, because if the offer is no longer there, then the green card might get denied, right? So you can change the employer by providing documentation for a new job offer. So they can just update your green card. You see, this is good. So, but this is really about, that's just something that is going on right now. But this is based on asylum, okay? What else is going on? Let me stop sharing here. What else is going on? Hello, how are you? Yes, we have at least 11 people in the house. Please like, please share. Welcome to this live session. Patricia Harley, how are you? I'm doing good. Please, can I file for advance parole before my case is approved? Yes, you can file for advance parole if your green card is still pending with USCIS or asylum pending with USCIS. Yes, you are eligible to file for advance parole. Or if you're a DACA recipient, you can file for advance parole. Robertson Paul, how are you? I'm doing good. How are you? Oh, you, Patricia Harley, how are you? That's nice, nice. Thank you very much. Please like, please share. It's always nice to see people in the house talking about immigration. Robertson Paul, oh, good. Thanks. Nice to hear that. By the way, please like, please share. We're only talking about immigration here. We got a work permit approved. This is for asylum pending. It took too long, 1 year. That's even not too long because somebody else took like almost 18 months. But anyway, got approved. That's a good news. What else I wanted to talk about? There's another news going on. Let me check it. There's a breaking news going on actually. Let me double check. Then I'll come back to you. By the way, in the meantime, if you have another question, just put it in the comment. Let's see. Just put it in the comments. What else? Immigration news. Yeah, so there's there's another news going on as far as people who were banned under Trump travel ban. They filed a lawsuit, basically claiming that the Department of State denied them visa illegally, even though they were qualified for a waiver. That's what's going on. Okay. Yeah, that's what's going on. Yes, that's what's going on, really. The lawsuit about a group of foreigners suing federal court, suing the Department of State in federal court, basically suing in federal court about the ban, why they were denied visa illegally, even though they were eligible for waivers, basically. And that those cases will allow a lot of people to sue in federal court when they think that they get denied visa unfairly, basically. Yes. Let's see who has a question. When filing VAWA, are you talking about VAWA? How long it takes to get a work permit when you file for VAWA? If you only filing for VAWA, let's say you only file a I-360 application without green card without work permit application, you get your work permit only when the VAWA is approved. But if you file concurrently, for a person who's not in removal, of course, if you file concurrently I-360, I-765, I-485, which is green card application, concurrently, it's taking about within 3 to 6 months to get a work permit C9 approved. Okay. If the case is open, Olakunle Jempeji. If the case is open, meaning the case is pending, then it takes only 13 days. I'll give it 2 weeks to get a response. It doesn't take too long when the case is open, meaning that you have a date, a court date. Let's say you have a master hearing or an individual hearing scheduled for, let's say, just for the purpose of this conversation, right? Let's say you have a hearing scheduled for May 1st, and then your lawyer filed for motion to terminate removal today, for example. It's going to take, by April 15, you should know, it takes 13 days. If the case is open, like case pending with a court date. But if the case is not pending with a court date, yeah, just forget about, good luck on that. So, oh yeah, so the case is open, right? So then yes, it's gonna take it takes only 13 days. That's what the rule says. But sometimes they go over, maybe 2 days over. I'll give it 2 weeks. Yeah. Okay, rubric. You're welcome. Anybody else? Anybody has a question? We're here to answer questions. Please put your question in the comment. And if you're here for the first time, please, you're welcome. Please like, please share. We're only here to answer questions today. You're welcome. Anybody else? Yeah, I was trying to find that news to share it. Let me try to find it. I don't see it, but we're supposed to find it. By the way, okay. Anyway, if I don't find it, but basically that's what's going on. So anybody else, if you have a question, please put it in the comment. If you need a consultation, again, you can schedule it by using the consultation link in the description box. We are here to answer some questions. That's why I'm just waiting for people to join. In the meantime, you can like, you can share. Let's see if I have any other news to share. Decision pending for over 6 years. Yes, yes, or Lisa, yes, you can file a mandamus lawsuit. Yeah, but you're gonna have to hire a lawyer where you currently reside, or where the agency, where your case is pending. Either where you reside or where your case is pending. Because right now they're not taking cases in Maryland just because DHS has a headquarters in Maryland. They're not doing it. They're really going with either where the client resides, the applicant resides, or where the case is pending. Those two venues are proper. But the answer is yes. 6 years is too long. You can file a lawsuit so that they can call you for the interview. Yeah, the lawsuit simply means that they'll call you for the interview. That's it. Doesn't mean anything else. They'll call you for the interview. You're gonna go to the interview. If you win, then asylum will be granted. Yeah, so that's what it is. I had a lot of people who were asking for questions. They were posting their questions here. I was trying to find out if I can. But I don't see it. So basically, you've done your interview over 6 years ago, but they never gave you a response? Yeah, you should sue them definitively so they can give you a response. I don't understand that. Are we talking about USCIS? Like you filed for asylum, you went to the interview, and 6 years has passed and they never responded to you? Is that what you're saying? Well, definitively you should sue them. That I'm like, really? You've been waiting for 6 years to get a response from USCIS from the interview that you went 6 years ago? No, you should sue them. Yeah, I don't see why you're waiting anyway. Yeah. That's a long time to wait for a response after the interview. No. It don't even make sense to me. Yeah, you should sue them for your response. The answer is yes. Wow, that's really, I've never heard something like that. I know people are waiting for their interview, but I've never heard somebody's waiting for a response for 6 years. With USCIS, no, I've never heard that. But you're right. You should sue them definitively. Don't even wait anymore, okay? Looks like they forgot your case, about your case. Okay, so we don't have anything else. No more questions. Thank you very much for showing up. Was nice. If you have questions, please just leave it in the comment. If you need a consultation, again, the consultation link is in the description box. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Until next time, bye-bye.